Hi guys, a portable hammock stand is a tool you can consider getting your hands on to avoid worrying about setting up the hammock by tying it to a tree. It lets you unwind anywhere, be it your home, backyard, or even while camping. So, here's our list of the best portable hammock stands to help you understand the features and benefits. These stands are easy to use, hassle-free, and durable for long-lasting use. Hammock stands are lightweight and easy to set up. They come with easy mobility to move them around easily after setting them up. This also means that you can adjust their positions whenever needed without compromising your comfort. If you are new to using a hammock stand, this article consists of our top recommendations worth considering and can help you make an informed decision. So, let's get started. Number 10 is, if you are all about unwinding when you go camping or hiking, this hammock with a steel stand can be suitable. The stand is made using alloy steel, and the hammock uses nylon fabric, making it strong enough to take on weight up to 600 pounds. The hammock is versatile enough for activities like yoga, sleeping mat, tent, swing, and cradle. The hammock and the stand come with loops and tree straps if you wish to tie the hammock to a tree. To help you carry them around, an all-in-one bag has got you covered. Nylon include steel stand plus 285 cm x 135 cm hammock plus 34 loops 20 feet long hammock tree straps super strong. It can holds up to 600 pounds material. Nylon encrypted mesh cloth nylon fabric easy to be cleaned and dry quickly after being wet multi-purpose for camping, hiking and traveling. In the backyard, beach and hilltop, it can alternative for yoga mat, sleeping pad, tent, swing, ground mat, and cradle, all in one canvas bag. The next is Number 9, unwind and spend the rest of the day using this hammock stand from Yukon that comes with a swing chair and 2 cushions made from skin-friendly cotton. The hammock stand is a sturdy triangle structure made of weather-resistant iron that is built to withstand up to 485 pounds. It can occupy less space and can be assembled in minimum time without using many tools. Whether you want to install this hammock stand in your bedroom, patio, living room, or your backyard, this stand and hammock can blend into your surroundings effortlessly. Attached hanging chair with 2 cushions are made of cotton, friendly to the skin, no peculiar smell, not easy to tear, can be cleaned. We strive to make our products better. If you have good suggestions or have problems with the purchased products, please contact us, we will solve them immediately. The next is Number 8, crafted using high-quality polyester and steel, the TechSport Seadrift hammock measures 86 by 32 by 24 inches and can take up to 250 pounds. It comes with a pillow and is apt for indoor and outdoor use. The stand comes as a whole package with a complete set of assembly hardware that you can use if you are planning to take this hammock stand for camping. To clean the hammock, use some warm water, mild soap, and a scrub brush, and the hammock will look good as new. Bed and pillow, 100% polyester, frame, 1-inch steel tube imported crafted from the highest quality material, perfect for outdoor and even indoor use, made in China. The next is Number 7, measuring 88 by 28 by 25 inches and manufactured to take on weight up to 220 pounds, the Miles Kimball portable and freestanding hammock comes with a steel frame and allows you to unwind seamlessly. Further, a lightweight, durable, and portable build can cradle you in comfort anywhere, be it your patio, beach, park, or even when you go camping. The hammock weighs only 12 pounds and comes with a carrying bag for an on-the-go convenience that you can sling on your shoulder wherever you go. Kick back anywhere, anytime. Use this portable hammock to create a relaxing retreat no matter where your next adventure takes you. Lie back in comfort. The comfortable, breathable nylon fabric sets you up for a comfortable experience in any outdoor environment. Room to relax, measuring 88 inches by 32 inches by 25 inches, this outdoor hammock leaves plenty of room to spread out under an open sky. The next is Number 6. The Sunnydaze portable hammock stand is built to accommodate up to 330 pounds and hammocks up to 10 feet wide, especially the Sunnydaze cotton fabric hammocks. Whether you want to install a hammock indoors or outdoors, it has got you covered. It also features 2 stabilizing bars that come in handy to help you relax seamlessly. The frame has a heavy gauge steel tube measuring 1 inch that comes in handy for a durable but lightweight build so that you can move it around. This stand comes with a 1-year warranty for a worry-free purchase. Fits hammocks up to 10 feet, 118 inches long x 28.5 inches wide x 40 inches tall, weighs 19 pounds, weight capacity 330 pounds, fits hammocks up to 10 feet long, lightweight and durable. Frame features 1.25-inch heavy-gauge steel tubing for ultimate durability and longevity, also lightweight and easy to move, easy assembly, 10-piece assembly, no tools required. Quick release button locking mechanism, so very quick and easy to assemble, all hardware needed included. The next is number 5. You can now unwind and spend quality time by taking this Pirny hammock chair stand with you. Manufactured using soft and environment-friendly cotton, the padded cotton swing chair can go soft on your skin. Its polyester interface comes as an external design that makes hanging a chair comfortable and easy to balance. The swing also boasts 2 swing hooks to hang your swing and a physical structure made using rust-proof iron tubes that measure 15 inches in diameter. Further, the swing is available in white and gray shades. Sturdy, unique triangular supports stand high capacity up to 500 lbs, easy to assemble. You can always move to where you want. Study camping chair, porch swings, reclining patio pool chairs. Swing sets for backyard save space. Unlike the bulky shelves that take up space, this one covers only 1.09 square meters. It's a great relief to you. The next is number 4. Here is a portable hammock stand equipped with a UPF 50+ rated sunshade canopy to block out the sun and shade your face. It comes with a basket and drinks pockets to help you store drinks, jackets, towels, and snacks. The hammock is made from 210T parachute nylon and is made 75D thicker with a weight range of 250 pounds. Whether you want to sit and chill or nap, you will not need any trees or ropes to tie the hammock to. This hammock stand is available in basic and upgraded sizes and in blue, green, and orange. In style, if you're into outdoor-indoor recreation activities, there's a collapsible hammock with stand made for you. This is the world's most popular project on Kickstarter with all-inclusive design that can meet all your home recreations or other outdoor events needs and light. Just under 15 pounds. Design make portable framed hammock easy to pack and take anywhere you go. Easily to set up in 60 seconds or less, perfect for patio nap, swimming pool activities, home barbecue, as well as closer to home like your deck, backyard, and even inside for sleepovers. The next is number 3, made using breathable and comfortable 70D nylon and 3000mm waterproof finish. The Wintming camping hammock is built with a capacity of 440 pounds and comes with a pop-up and a loop strap to help you install and use it during your leisure times. Thanks to the spacious build, you can now enjoy more space without feeling claustrophobic. For hassle-free time using this camping hammock regardless of the climate, it comes with a Rainfly and a net to keep you safe from unfavorable weather conditions like rain and scorching summers. The hammock cover is available in camo, orange, and green colors. Pros 1-year warranty available, user-friendly design, tear-resistant, tree-friendly straps. Cons: net and hammock are not removable. Camping hammock. 1. Hammock with mosquito net for you can stay independent in the harsh environment. 2. Hammock with Rainfly for keep you dry when rains and fog water and prevent you from sunburnt. All to ensure a well sleeping or rest, enjoying your travel. The next is number 2. The hammock swing from Sorbus is durably built to be suitable for children and adults, thanks to its 5 adjustable height positions. The stand is durable enough to withstand weight up to 450 pounds and has an extensive usage of powder-coated steel, making it durable enough to accommodate 2 people simultaneously. This swing is available in 3 sets of vibrant colors and comes as a package that includes a hammock, a steel stand, and installation hardware. To help you carry your hammock wherever you go, this stand comes with a carrying case. Pros: no tools necessary, convenient storage, weather-resistant build. Carrying case included. Cons: choking hazard, contains small parts. This stylish double hammock swing and space-saving stand can be quickly set up and is easy to relocate. It has 5 adjustable height options so you can choose your perfect position. Colorful cotton and polyester fabric for durability and ultimate comfort that will not stretch or rip under pressure. The next is number 1, built using durable steel tubing frames. Taleco gear. Size A swing can be a much-needed addition to your spaces. It is suitable for indoor and outdoor spaces ranging from your patio and garden to even your backyard. The powder-coated steel used in this swing reduces the chances of rusting and tipping and comes with a patented design that is easy to assemble. It is suitable for various types of swing seats and has a capacity of 300 pounds to help you fix a swing seat. This swing comes with a complimentary buckle and a short chain. Pros: easy installation, sturdy materials, stable base, sturdy build. Cons: swinging seat not included, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.